Bernard Tomic, his father, has been arrested after redefining the term tennis hitting partner, while Evert responded to Jimmy Connors' tell-all, and the French Open organizers finalized their decision not to make Rafa Nadal the #1 seed at the French Open. Wow, do we have a Tennis Now news update for you guys or what? Starting with the results from this weekend, where the old man Tommy Haas defeated his fellow countryman Philip Kohlschreiber to take the title at the BMW Open. Stan Wawrinka overpowered David Ferrer to win the Portugal Open. Also on the women's side, Anastasia Pavlyuchenkova won her second WTA title of the year with a straight sets victory over Carla Suarez Navarro at the Portugal Open. This week in Madrid, Maria Sharapova will be attempting to dethrone Serena Williams from the world #1 spot. Here's a little chart to help you understand what has to happen for that to happen. Obviously, all that depends on where Serena finishes, but pretty much if Serena loses at any point in the tournament, then Maria has a chance. And despite considering making Rafa Nadal the #1 seed at Roland Garros, French Open organizers announced that they will not be changing the seeds for the Grand Slam. After posting the ruling to our social media, we assumed you crazy Rafa-holics would be a little more upset by the news. However, this comment pretty much sums up your response. It is a fair decision from the organizers. There shouldn't be any partiality for a particular player. By the way, I don't think that it will cause a major problem for our King of Clay. Bernard Tomic's father was arrested for headbutting and breaking the nose of Tomic's hitting partner, Thomas Druitt, who has been working with Tomic now for several months. The incident occurred outside the Players Hotel for this week's Madrid Open, where Tomic was competing. It will be interesting to see what happens next, and we'll be sure to keep you posted as the story develops more. Evert has responded to Jimmy Connors' tell-all memoir, where he insinuated Evert terminated the pregnancy of their child. Here's what Evert had to say. In his book, Jimmy Connors has written about a time in our relationship that was very personal and emotionally painful. Evert said in a statement, "I am extremely disappointed that he used the book to misrepresent a private matter that took place 40 years ago and made it public without my knowledge." Geez, can you say awkward? In other news, Sloane Stephens opens up to ESPN about the pressure of being compared to Serena in their contentious relationship. We're not going to spoil the story for you. Head over to our website to get the full story on Sloane's comments. Tell us what you think about John Tomic's assault charges in the comments section or on Facebook and Twitter. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see when we post new content. We'll see you next time here on Tennis Now.